Hi everyone, it is me and I'm back today. I'm gonna be doing another video on slime. Yes, I am a slime person, as you can see some glitter on my hands. And today I'm just gonna be doing some slime pet peeves that are funny. And I don't know if you think it's funny or not. Comment down below if you think my video was funny. And yeah, let's get ready. I have my slime. I have my dog. Eat my Oli, everyone. And I have my camera. So lights, action, and let's go. So the first one is when they talk too much, of course. Hi everyone, it is me and I'm back. So today I'm just gonna be reviewing my slime. And yes, this is glitter slime. It is made of glue and laundry detergent, and it is very pretty because I made out of glue, like glitter glue, and yeah. So I'm just not gonna play with it because I'm afraid it'll dry out. As you can see, there's a little crack here, focusing up on it. And yeah, I'm gonna get that container. It's actually kind of pretty because like I've got my very cute container, and yeah, so like this is my first ever slime that actually didn't fail, so I'm so excited. And yeah, so it's very sparkly. If you can do this with glitter glue or any glue, like yeah, just glue, you know. Yeah, okay, so we're just gonna continuing on blah 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 blah. They play with their slime aggressively. Second, when their slime is too sticky. Hi everyone, it's me and I'm back with my slime, and I guess it's very sticky. It's so sticky. So gross. When they play with their slime too gently.
出门经，但其实我不太会念。出门经，出门经，出门遇见观世音，四大金刚来带路，八大金刚护我身，晨也光，夜也光，身上带来辟邪光，前面佛，后面佛，南无阿弥陀佛。哎呦！那个你可以出门了。
When they don't know how to swirl. Their swirl. Poke or play with their slime in a weird way. They rip their slime, of course. Miley! What you doing? Last but not least, when they breathe heavily while they're playing with their slime.